This is the most amazing triple cheese topped pasta chicken lemon spinach bake using the incredible ZENB pasta. Okay, it's a nice quick and snappy one as always. This one's going to be served up in around 20 minutes. We've got some nice lean chicken. We're going to finish that off with some spinach, lemon, garlic, all those perfectly herby flavours going through there. And of course our pasta. Now our pasta we've paired up with ZENB, an incredible brand that uses yellow pea. So 100% yellow pea, which is rich in fibre and it's an amazing source of protein. So first things first, for our pasta, we're going to get a pan of water up to a nice rolling boil. And we'll generously season that water. We're going to add some chicken stock to that water. So seasoned, stocked water, going to bring that up to a nice rolling boil. We're going to choose our ZENB pasta. For this, we've got fusili, we've got macaroni, and we've got the one which I'm going to be using today, which of course is going to be the penne. So ZENB Pasta is the UK's first pasta range to be made entirely from yellow peas, also known as field peas. They improve the soil by fixing nitrogen and require less water to grow than wheat. And that's got an added bonus then, because it's also gluten-free, non-GMO, and it contains no artificial colours or preservatives. Yellow peas are originally green, but turn yellow as they mature, and they bring a delicious flavour, subtle aroma, and an al dente texture to the pasta. We're going to get a second pan, nice and hot. Into that, generous amount of olive oil. Our chicken, we're going to just give that a light season. And now that oil's nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken into our pan. And just make sure that oil is coating that chicken nicely. And we're just going to really quickly cook that through. We've got some spring onion. Nicely chop 4 of these up. That spring onion can go straight in with the chicken. Going to add some white wine in there. Nice drizzle over the top. We are going to put a citrus and a heat element through here. So I have got 1 red chilli. We're going to add the rind of 1 lemon. We're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. So 1 teaspoon of black garlic, a teaspoon of sweet chilli. So now we've got a nice thick sauce on there. We're going to add a generous amount of our chicken stock pasta sauce. And we're simply going to just let that reduce, and that's going to carry on poaching our chicken. Now we're going to create a little bit of a sauce with this. So we've got our reduction of our chicken stock going through there. We've got our chilli, we've got our lemon, we've got our onion. We're going to add a generous amount of our spinach. At this point, we're going to use some Parmesan and some creme fraiche. We're going to add to that 2 to 3 generous tablespoons of creme fraiche. That's going to give us that beautiful, rich, creamy sauce that we're after. And then our Parmesan is going to combine that all together and create the most amazing silky sauce. We're going to save just a small amount of that back because that's going to go on top before we put that into the oven. So off with your heat with both pans. And we've got some herbs over here. So I've got some parsley and I've got some basil. You can tear these in or you can nicely chop them up. Stalks as well, because they're ram-packed full of flavour. I'm going to simply add that to our sauce and just stir that through. So our pasta is done. Stir that through our beautiful sauce. Right, we're going to grab ourselves a nice oven-proof dish and we'll serve some of this up. So grabbing some of our chicken, some of our pasta, our spinach and our beautiful herbs, lay that into our dish. So making sure we've got a little piece of everything in there. Now this is where we get a little bit naughty with it. We're going to put some cheese on here. So I've got some mozzarella. So I'm just going to scatter over the top. And we've got some finely grated mature cheddar. And then lastly, we've got the little bit of Parmesan we saved from earlier. I'm just going to dust that just over the top. So that can go in the oven now at 180 Celsius for around 20 minutes until we've got a beautiful crispy top. So let's get that out of the oven and serve this one up. Hotter than the sun, but that is amazing. That is my 3 cheese spinach and chicken bake. Now, I've used the ZENB penne pasta for this one. Go across their website, www.zenb.co.uk. Check out their amazing array of products, okay? Look, if you recreate this one, which you must do, hashtag me as Haste Kitchen as always, or hashtag ZENB UK. Get recreating it, and I'll see you next week. Cheers then, bye-bye.